vlog 1 and okay, so this new year I have decided to try something new, getting out of my comfort zone, and that is vlogging. Okay, so I'm gonna do weekly vlogging. You guys are gonna get the content of the entire week that I do. I hope, I am sure that it's going to be fun for you all to watch it. And apart from that, you're gonna hear me in 3 different languages, which is English, Hindi and Marathi, जो तीनों भी मुझे आते हैं. And you know us, right? You know the Indians within us that एक लैंग्वेज में कंटिन्यूसली बोलना बहुत टफ हो जाता है. एटलीस्ट फॉर मी इट इज़ व्हेरी टफ. तो आय तो स्पीक इन ऑल द 3 लँग्वेजेस आणि कधी कधी मराठी पण येऊ शकतं बिकॉज यार मदर टंग, यार कम ऑन मदर टंग. सो अगेन थँक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस and I hope I hope that it's gonna be fun because honestly it's a new experience for me as well because I've done vlogging before, but trust me, after so many years I have not done it and थोड़ा सा confidence low हो जाता है when it comes to shooting outdoors because I you know what, I can dance on streets, like I have no sharam in doing that, but when it comes to holding my camera for the vlogging, tough game yaar. And I really want to tell you all who are doing vlogging daily, weekly, or giving updates of life, trust me, it's tough. It's not an easy job. It's not an easy job at all. So kudos to all of you who do it. And बहुत बातें हो गई I feel, but still this is what it is gonna be like. I'm gonna be in front of camera talking to you all, and I hope it's gonna be fun for you again. And also आज मेरे पास माइक नहीं है because यार नया शुरू कर रही हूँ कुछ तो I have to buy a mic. I hope my voice is audible to you all, and कुछ ही दिनों में I'm gonna get a new mic because of which my voice will be more clearer. So yeah, now I'm getting ready for office because I'm going to office after 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, क्योंकि हमें work from home दिया गया था and it was December, it was a holiday week and I was on leave for a long time. So after all of that, today I'm going to office. 6th of Jan I'm going to office, and I don't think I'll be able to shoot in office much because we're not allowed to use our cameras or allowed to use our phones to click pictures or shoot videos. But I'll try to click the glimpse of it what I do there. But still, getting back, I'm getting ready for office, so it's almost I think 11:45. I usually leave for office around 12:30, and we are actually early today, but there is a lot to do. I have to read a book, I actually have to study, and so many other things to do. But till then we can just together get ready. It's not a get ready with me video, to be honest, but yeah. I will just do my everyday routine because it's very important to go out and do that routine. And I got a call. Did you guys hear that? Yeah, I think you guys heard that. But ठीक है, this is what it's gonna be. I already put my phone on do not disturb mode, but still ये हुआ. I'm sorry for that, but again, let's just get ready and let's start with our face routine. Get to see the view also behind me. I'll show you one day the view from my balcony, and it's beautiful. Trust me, it's just actually very beautiful. So I'll just close my windows because there's a lot of background noise, and I think I'm looking dark, but I'll change the side of it so that you guys can see me. And it's a very simple face routine that I follow. I don't think so I do much. ऐसे मतलब I actually don't do much. I do very basic, I feel. But yeah, I think it's very necessary for us to do that. And yeah, let's just wear the accessories first. Oh, itches. Oh, my legs hurt. And I'll move out all the things that are in my background. Let's accept it, यार. But ऐसा ही होता है when you have to leave the house. So it's okay. Where is my pocket? Here? No. Oh yeah. Second. Here's my pouch, which I usually carry to office. It's very convenient to carry this pouch to office, and it's very important to carry this pouch to office. That's the first important part. So yeah, first I'll apply some toner. On that I go with a serum, and then later on I'll apply some moisturizer on it, and lastly sunscreen, because you know Mumbai ki dhoop. So yes, it's like that. And I think this is what I do mota mota. This is the basic routine that I follow. And then makeup की बात आती है, तब I go to office and I do makeup because I travel by Activa, so it becomes very tough to keep that makeup till the end, you know. I also want to hair dry my hair, which is very important. मुझको सीरम भी लगाना है, मुझे अभी याद आया. Oh damn. चलो, at least basic कर लेते हैं, and it's not gonna be tough. Yeah. And I have been using Dot and Key products now for a while, and I feel they're good. The reason I started is I heard a lot of good reviews about it, and this is not any brand promotions. All my products that I've been using now are Dot and Key, because I think I felt a little bit better after using it, and I believe that you know, it's with all your face routine that you want to do it with one product, and then you can see the results. If you're using multiple brands for doing the face routine, you might not be able to see the good results, is what I feel. Okay, disclaimer here. You try that once and let me know in the comments if you did that, because it feels good when people try out your things, you know. So yeah, this is the serum that I'll be using, and it's not that tough. I think अपना हो जाएगा, 12:15 तक I feel हो जाएगा. It's already 11:53. I'm wearing a classic black and white. This is a sweatshirt and a black formal pant. I think that's the classic that you can get. I want to experiment with this, but maybe next time. Not now. This is my sunscreen. As I told you, all of them are Dot and Key products, and it becomes easier for me to do it. I don't know if there's any other way to do this process. Please let me know in the comments, but this is the way I do it. I keep it basic. I don't go for much, and also you guys are gonna see me without makeup all the time, because I don't apply makeup when I am at home, and I usually do it when I have to go outside. But yeah, so you're gonna see me natural, guys. This all is done. Toner is done. Just wear this. For the watch. So I have to show you this. I actually wanted to show you the kind of. Just a second, I have to adjust. It's very tough to adjust the camera always. Okay, so I'm using this Oshiaka hair serum. This is a very new brand for me. I checked its review on Nykaa and all other platforms, and I think it has pretty good reviews. I mean, the hair serum is really nice. I used it yesterday as well, and I feel it's good. So yeah, I mean, I would, if you're looking for a new hair serum, I know this brand is not known that much, but I think it's actually a good brand. It's a very herbal brand, and I saw the company and all of that. I felt it's really good. Sometimes it's very important to come out of all the, sometimes it's like you should try the new known unknown brands also, they're really good. This Osea though, I'll suggest. I got it because I wanted a hair serum which can also protect my hair from heat, because I use straightener when I have to set my hair for office or anywhere I have to go. So yeah, so I think this is a very good product. I suggest you guys to use it. Ooh. Now it's time for the hair dryer. I got this new hair dryer from Beauty Center in Crofton Market. बैगा का है एंड अच्छा यार सस्ते में मिला अच्छा था काफ़ी, तो मैंने ले लिया क्योंकि आई वांटेड अ न्यू हेयर ड्रायर. So we're done with the hair dryer and it's now for time for some straightening. Yeah. But before that I forgotten कि मुझे breakfast करना था और मैंने breakfast नहीं किया है, तो I also have to do the breakfast. And अभी 12 बज चुके हैं. I hope मेरे को हो जाए सब करके टाइम से. It's time for some straightening your hair. यार इतने दिन के बाद ऑफिस जा रही हूँ. Ow. Oh, my face. So that's done. इसको टाइम नहीं लगेगा, हो जाएगा थोड़ा. तब तक I think I can do my breakfast. तब तक my straightening iron can get heated. Yeah. We have set the straightening iron to heat. Oh, that's my board. And abhi it's time for some breakfast. I already made the roti also. I didn't make any sabzi today. So yeah, already made the roti and everything. I'll do with a elaichi wala banana. I like banana and a roti. पता नहीं यार आजकल रोटियां मेरी कड़क हो रही है, इससे पहले नहीं होता था. मुझे नॉट आया. I actually forgot to keep the ते कडधान्य भिजत टाकायला मी विसरली. सो मला हे खावं लागतं आता. I don't have an option now. And मेरे पास अंडे भी नहीं थे so that I could make an omelette. But yeah, ऑमलेट बनाने का भी कोई स्कोप नहीं था, कोई भी नहीं. तो अभी इसके साथ ही खाना खाते हैं, क्या करें. और मेरे को ना लैपटॉप चालू करके कंटेंट देखने में बहुत बोर हो रहा है, तो आई जस्ट डू इट ऑन माय फोन, जिससे मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ फिलहाल. तो मैं खाना खाती हूँ. आई हैड माई प्रोटीन शेक इन द मॉर्निंग, बट आई थिंक कि मुझे ये खाना चाहिए बिकॉज फिर एसिडिटी हो जाती है इफ आई डोंट ईट एनीथिंग फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. तो इट्स बेटर आई ईट इट. We are done with breakfast. अभी करते थोड़ा सा आई नहीं भाई, गर्म है भाई, गलती से लग गया ना, बैंड बज जाएगी बैंड, मैं रोने लग जाऊंगी रोने. यू गाइस विल सी मी क्राइंग इफ आई डू दैट. So we're done with our straightening. Oh god, just try. So we're done with our straightening. ये यहाँ से क्यों लाइट है भाई? ठीक है, whatever. So we're done with the straightening. Let's get. I mean, I'm ready to go to office now. I'm leaving also because it's 12:20, so I'll just leave now. Yeah. अभी. So let's leave for office. चलो. मेरे को बस चेक करने दो कि मैंने सब पैक कर लिया है ना भाई. this is something that I forgot, which is not nice. Everything is packed. Bag is here. I'm carrying my hoodie because रात को आने के टाइम एक्टिवा से ठंडी लग सकती है, तो I have to carry my hoodie. Bag is packed. Good. I'll use my washroom. And then we are ready to leave. Speaker पे हाथ रखा है, तो ठीक है. I was in the lift already and I forgot my chashma. हाँ, इसके बिना ट्रैवल करना बहुत टफ है यार. और मैं लिफ्ट से नीचे गई और फिर मुझे याद आया कि मैं तो चश्मा घर पे भूल गई थी. But then I had to come back for the चश्मा. अभी भी लिफ्ट के पास कोई नहीं है. Struggling with it. Let's try. Just अभी बंद करना पड़ेगा यार. इसको कोई बोलो ऊपर आना होता है. Yeah, it's working. It's coming guys. नहीं B1 पे जाता है. Yay! There is no one in the lift and I can shoot. Lego. Once it's very scary, the lift opens and no one comes inside. तो भाई डर लगता है मेरे को. ये लिफ्ट में डर ही लगता है, पता नहीं क्यों. Birthday to you. Happy birthday dear three of you. So it's little difficult to shoot in office, but we had a cake cutting celebration of few of my office friends, and it was fun. Today was good. I got to learn something new today, so it was good. And apart from that, I actually have a story for you all before ending this day one. But okay, so what happened is today I was so forgetful that first I forgot my chashma. This is like life for me. I cannot see without my chashma. मतलब मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखता है, but then I cannot work without my chashma in front of my laptop. And that I got to know जब मैं लिफ्ट से नीचे उतरी, 19th फ्लोर से मैं नीचे उतरी, एंड फिर मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि ओह मैं तो चश्मा भूल गई. उसी लिफ्ट से मैं वापस ऊपर आई. दैट्स फर्स्ट. सेकेंड, मैंने अटेंडेड द कॉल. मेरा एक टीम्स कॉल था तो मैंने घर से अटेंड कर लिया बिकॉज इट वॉज ड्यूरिंग माई ट्रैवल टाइम. तो मैंने घर से अटेंड कर लिया. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई लेफ्ट इन अ हरी बिकॉज फिर लाइक ऑफिस पहुंचना था, मुझे काम था इसलिए. एंड उसके बीच में आई फॉरगॉट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. दैट्स माई थैली जिसमें मैंने टिफ़िन बनाया था खुद के लिए. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो माई मेकअप पाउच. एंड आई वॉज लाइक, और ये मुझे कब रियलाइज़ हुआ होगा, जब मैं ऑफिस प्रीमाइसेस में पहुंची तब मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मैं अपनी थैली घर पे भूल गई. एंड आई वॉज लाइक ओ माई गॉड. I really didn't know what to do. So it was like this quick that I decided to go back home and take my theli because it was important. क्योंकि उसमें मेरा फ़ोन का चार्जर था. माई फ़ोन बैटरी वॉज डेड ऑलमोस्ट. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मेरा खाना था उसमें जो मैंने बनाया था अपने लिए. एंड माई मेकअप पाउच इज ऑल्सो देयर विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यार. कम ऑन गाइस, इट इज़ लाइक माई फर्स्ट डे इन ऑफिस आफ्टर सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम. तो आई लाइक जाना पड़ेगा भाई. माई हाउस इज़ नॉट दैट फार, तो इट वॉज वेरी कन्वीनियंट फॉर मी. And though on top of it I did not even get angry on myself. I was like ठीक है यार, चलता है यार, अभी क्या ही कर सकते थे. मेरे हाथ में कुछ था ही नहीं. तो I was like ठीक है जाने दे, whatever it is. I got my pouch. I got a little late than the normal time, but I think I had a valid reason. I usually don't like going to office late because that's something that I follow rigorously because मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि to be on time. So yeah, this is it. So it was a good day, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so we are ready for the office again. This time I have decided not to forget anything, like legit anything. I'm not gonna forget. I'm trying something new today. I'm trying a new kind of outfit because I've never practically wore black on black in office. At least I've never done that. So I'm trying this. So have a look. This is a very cute waistcoat that I got from Little Box India, and a normal black jeans. So I don't know. I'm just trying it. I was like, let's just try it. वैसे तो ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, just the basic face routine, and then we are off to office. Okay, I have to tell you guys one thing, that I woke up very late this morning. I legit was not able to wake up at all. I was not feeling good. Pata nahi, I was not feeling good about myself. I was just feeling very underconfident, and I think all of us have these days. All of us go through this some or the other day in a month, and everyone has to go through it, I feel. But then if you feel like it, I realize that if I take a good hot water bath, I feel really good. And I just took a hot water bath and I felt good, because I was not ready to get out of my bed at all. But then I thought, I just told myself, okay, let's just go to the bathroom and take a hot water bath. Let's just try that. How does it feel? And it felt good. So any of you, if it's struggling with anything, trust me, that happens, होते रहता है. And मेरे साथ बहुत बार होते रहता है in a month, and I think आप लोगों के साथ भी होते रहता है ये बहुत बार. But then that's how, we have to deal with life. We have to just find our ways to go through it. Because किसी ना किसी को कुछ ना कुछ करना पसंद है, तो just go for it and try and see the change, if that's happening or not. Just change the thing that you have been doing, and I think that should help. Yeah, that should totally help. अभी I had actually put up my clothes to dry, मुझे निकालने थे before going to the office. फिर वो बहुत ज़्यादा धूप हो जाती है, and it becomes, the clothes, it's not good for the clothes. Yeah, this is done. Video मस्त warm हो गया, वो कपड़े मस्त से warm हो गए धूप में. चलो, Lego to office. Let's go. Bag check. This bag check. My glasses. So everything's checked for today. आज घर वापस नहीं आना है, please. Morning everyone. It looks like I'm fresh, but trust me, I'm tired because of my tennis. Just back home from my tennis classes, and the problem is कि मेरे घर का सिलेंडर ख़त्म हो चुका है. मैं अभी कुछ नहीं बना सकती, ना लंच ना ब्रेकफास्ट, एनीथिंग. आई हैव टू स्ट्रगल विद इट एटलीस्ट फॉर टुडे, बिकॉज मैंने बोला है मेरे ब्रोकर अंकल को कि भाई मेरे को प्लीज़ सिलेंडर ला के दो, बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम भी उन्होंने दिया था मुझे, तो ही इज़ गोना अरेंज इट, पर पता नहीं आ जाएगा कि नहीं आएगा. सो आज हमें जोमेटो से ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा एटलीस्ट द ब्रेकफास्ट, बिकॉज आई रियली कैन नॉट सर्वाइव विदाउट द ब्रेकफास्ट राइट नाउ. आई एम वेरी हंग्री, लाइक लेजिट वेरी हंग्री. सो आई एम प्लानिंग टू ऑर्डर समथिंग फ्रॉम जोमेटो. लेट्स सी व्हाट कम्स अप, एंड थोड़ा अपना खुद का काम कर लूँगी, एंड देन ऑफ टू ऑफिस. क्या कर सकते हैं, I have to go to office as well. So, okay, let's just order something from Zomato. Cool? The protein shake is ready. इसको हम लोग एक ग्लास में पोर करते हैं. ग्लास हो गया है फुल, और इसके नीचे अभी भी है. The Indian in me is like, इसको भी मैं जाने नहीं दूँगी. Yeah, the Indian in me is doing this, guys. Indian in me is doing this. ये सिखाया है हमें. Yes, clean. Let's have it. Cheers. And breakfast from Swiggy has arrived. Breakfast करते हैं यार, भूख लगी है. So I'm eating some fancy chicken breakfast. कुछ बनाने के लिए नहीं था, तो I thought I'll have a chicken breakfast. I also want to get for the bath, but ठीक है. All set for office. Oof, बाल से खाने हैं. Let's just get ready. 12:17, 10 minutes. Guys, we just have 10 minutes to get ready. Let's get ready. Yeah. I'm gonna pair it up with my shoes. I need to buy some good shoes, I feel now. We're set for office and it's time to go to office. इतना कुछ difference नहीं है, but मैंने सिर्फ hair dry किया आज. The straightening नहीं घुमाया because oily. I don't want to do straightening now. I'm just doing the hair dryer thing. So, see you in office. It's time for some YGHT. Me and Malvika are going for YGHT. It's gonna be fun. It's so fun. I'm so excited. Malvika, how excited are you for YGHT?
All things amazing. I'm really waiting for it.
I know, right? I'm very excited. It's gonna be fun. I think we are running super late, right?
Yeah, very late.
Oh god. I hope I'm start नहीं miss करना है यार. Oh god. मी अजून घाबरू शकते. काहीतरी सांगतो. घरी काय सांगते. Okay, we have reached. I hope we are not late. I think we're not late.
I think we are a little late.
We are?
No.
We are not late. Yay!
प्रदेश में खेलों के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को
on time.
मजबूती मिलने के साथ
बनो रे बनो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी
बोल देती है कि हम दंग रह जाते हैं.
Good morning. Yeah, so the update of life is कि मैंने कल कुछ शूट नहीं किया. After coming back home from watching my favorite movie YGHT, for all of those, ये जवानी है दीवानी. मैं और मालविका घर आए, सोए. फिर नेक्स्ट दिन इट वाज लाइक मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब थी, सो आई कुडंट शूट एनीथिंग. मतलब आई वाज नॉट कीपिंग अप वेल, अंदर से आई वाज नॉट फीलिंग वेल ऐसे. So I thought कि I'll not shoot anything today. So yes, I am back again. And अभी भी if you can recognize मेरा आवाज़ अभी भी इतना ही थोड़ा सा I don't know. It's not my normal voice. It's changed after my throat infection. मतलब I don't know. यहाँ पे it is. I am not able to swallow at times. इतना गंदा मेरे को पेन होता है. I have to go to the doctor today. I am planning to go to him today itself because I don't want to take a risk. I have to go to office also. So it's time to make some breakfast. I'll go for a bath. I have to visit SBI. I mean, I want to open a bank account actually. So I have to visit bank as well. भाई बहुत काम है और फिर ऑफिस जाना है. ऑफिस के काम तो है ही. तो यार चलो breakfast बनाना शुरू करते हैं. I have to make some breakfast for myself. I'm planning to make basic simple. I got some bread. I already have eggs in my home, so I'll make omelette and bread. That's it. I got these fancy eggs from Swiggy Instamart, which has power eggs written on it. Power eggs, see? पैसा. Swiggy Instamart में कुछ भी आ सकता है भाई. Power eggs. Power आने वाले हैं इसमें. इसको खा के मुझे. Oh, my head is still spinning. मेरी आँखें ऐसे बहुत छोटी हो गई है ना. That's the reason. Just wait. So first let's just wash our hands and then start. I'll first take bath actually and then I'll have my breakfast. थक गई हूँ मैं यार. I'm just tired. So I'll tell you, I was going to take a bath and then have my breakfast. But what I did is, मैंने हीटर का बटन ही चालू नहीं किया, मैंने बस नल चालू किया. अब I don't have an option. Now I'm running late. I cannot afford to do that. So I'm having my breakfast and then taking a bath. Can't have it. Don't do this. And I'm back from office and it's time to work a little. I left a little early from office today because I was really not keeping up well. So I thought I'll just come home and work. Now I'll just start working. I want to finish off a task and then we'll all be off to sleep. Tomorrow's weekend. Tomorrow's Saturday. I have already got plans for my Saturday. So let's just start working. I'll just change and then start working. Okay, so this is the end of the vlog and I hope you all like it. I will try to be better and better with my job. I know this is my first ever vlog, so there will be a lot of mistakes, but trust me, I have tried my best and I hope you all keep loving me like this and thank you all for watching till the end. So I will see you very soon. Tab tak ke liye